Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya Motorsport Society tingkat ka jingis nok tilang paga good speed racing Pune ha khandai terik mentau bana ya yong araja pun riau kalapan penapat ba bahkan sepelong ya ka jingya kop nya tuk lani ka mo grip Supercross Fmsci National Championship araja pun riau ha khatwai terik ya yong araja pun riau hamadan karang Riphoi district ha bakren sekilat pathai khubor unong penya jonga good speed racing Usham Kothari ulai thu bahakani ka jingya kop nya tuk on say shimbanta na kaleng ki jela kari India bat menta ka kenti kindan bungut kinangi shimbanta na ka jela Meghalaya.
Good evening, everyone. So we're here from Meghalaya Motorsport Society and Godspeed Racing. We are here to inform you all about the MRF Mogrip Supercross Championship 2026. The round 1 is happening in Shillong, from Shillong. The 2026 season for MRF Supercross will start from Shillong. Round 1 is happening in Shillong, and then it will follow through the calendar to other cities in India. So, Meghalaya Motorsport Society, we have our Vice President here, Ms. Easter Kumar, and I myself, Phoebe Pynlong. And from Godspeed Racing, we have Mr. Shyam Kothari. And so Meghalaya Motorsport Society have come together with Godspeed Racing. Mr. Shyam Kothari is the promoter of the Supercross, MRF Supercross Championship. And we have come together to host the event here in order to give a platform to the local riders as well and to introduce Supercross in the Northeast. This is the first time like Supercross is here, and the first time in Northeast that we are having a Supercross Championship round. So I would like Sir Shyam to say something.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Shyam Kothari. I'm the president of Godspeed, and we are the promoters of the Supercross Indian National Supercross Championships. We've been organizing these events, the Supercross Championship, for over 22 years, and we've had many events. Almost we've had 500 odd events in different disciplines of off-road racing. When we were deciding to have the championship this year, the championship consists of 6 rounds. So we thought, we have been contemplating with the idea of coming to the Northeast for a couple of years now. And finally I met Phoebe, and Phoebe said that you come to Meghalaya. The entries are from Meghalaya. So we have a lot of the local riders, which normally are about 10 or 15 in any place we go, but now it's more than 30. So we will have to have qualifying to get it down to 24 to make a safe grade.
Is there any female?
There is a female rider called Alina Mansoor. She is from Bangalore. She will be participating.
She will compete in the open category.
Yeah, she will compete in the open class, in the sense the junior category, Group A category. She is riding a foreign bike called the Husqvarna.
Having a demo class by the younger kids, which we give them a chance to ride on the track to just have the experience. And these kids will also be performing on a lower cc bike.
Yeah, it's 50cc, 65cc. And these we also have a championship category for 9 to 11 years. Now you'll be wondering how come they ride. A lot of people ask me this question, that how come they ride, because they don't have a license. Now, since it's an enclosed area, it doesn't come under the purview of the RTO. So worldwide, it's allowed that once if it's an enclosed area, we can have juniors riding. And these juniors become champions, national champions and world champions later. So the earlier I'm very happy and proud to announce you that this is one of the maximum entries we've received since we've started conducting events or Supercross events way back about 22 years ago. So we have received about 141 entries in the different categories. We've got 8 different categories, right from the junior class, which is up to 9 to 11 years, then 12 to 14 years, and 16 to 17 years, and then we have the experts, Indian experts class, the private experts class, which of course after a long time we are having a qualifying rounds. So the grid, the start line is about for 24 entries maximum. So if we get more than 24 entries, we have qualifying. In fact, we have in a couple of classes we have over 35 entries. So we will have to have qualifying rounds tomorrow, which is the practice sessions and the qualifying rounds, and then day after tomorrow we'll have the race. So we are very happy to come here, and hopefully the rain gods are a little merciful on us. We could have a fantastic event. This is also one of our USP events for the night event, because we are also having the FMX riders. That's FMX is freestyle motocross riders from abroad. One is an Austrian and one is a Russian, who are coming and performing, who will perform daredevil stunts during the intervals of the race. Besides this thoroughbred racing, we have also some entertainment in live bands and of course pyrotechnics and all. So all in all, we are very happy to come and participate in Shillong, and looking forward for a great event.
So also with us we have our national champion of 2020. He's leading the younger generation from Northeast and Meghalaya as a whole, and we are looking forward to, since he's part of the MRF Supercross, we're looking forward to building the Supercross over here in the next few years to come, and we're looking forward for Bante to train the young riders from our state. And we are also thankful for MRF for giving us this chance to host Supercross in the Northeast, which we are hoping and looking forward to, having MRF in the Northeast area sometime again in the future.
From 3 to 5, and the official flag off of the race will be at 5:30 sharp. So it is the venue as I mentioned.
The venue?
The venue is at Madan Kurkala.
Can you also tell us on the potential of the...
You come and explore this the situation of the riders here and all that, and I went to the practice tracks since I've been here for over a week and doing preparations for the event. I've gone to the practice tracks and all that, and I have seen a lot of potential. And thanks to Bhantai that he's putting in a lot of effort to get a lot of riders from the Northeast. And he's training them, he's got a track, so I was very impressed. They were also riding with proper gear. The motorcycles were also up to the standard. So we have, during a national championship event, we have very strict standards for the way the motorcycle is prepared and the safety gear. So especially the federation sends the technical delegates and the scrutineer to check and scrutinize every aspect of the motorcycle as well as the protective gear. So the track, especially in Shillong, is consisting of 10 jumps, 1 tabletop and a cut tabletop. Because of the rains, we couldn't, unfortunately, we couldn't do a section of the hoop-de-doos. That means a section of the rumblers, which is very good to see. And the track is about 750 meters long. We have different laps for the different sections. The junior levels will have probably 4 laps, where the seniors and professional riders will have about 8 laps. So I hope, as I said, I hope the track holds, because there will be a lot of slush. It will be slippery. It adds all adds to the fun. On the road, of course, on the road, it is always that if you are using the road, you will have to go by the rules. But since it's an enclosed area, when we do the event, it's a ground, or we have created a stadium like venue. There it's allowed, and the federation promotes it. The federation gives licenses. It's called competition license, which are without a competition license given by the federation, nobody can ride. So every person, every rider who's riding and taking part in this competition has a competition license, which is given by the federation.
So that's why also we provide these kind of tracks. We bring, we have Supercross for dirt riding, and like we have other disciplines in motorsports, because we do not want these riders or drivers to go on the road, right? To go at a high speed. So that's why we provide this closed area with license that is provided to them to take part in these motorsports.
Yeah, the reason for us coming to Northeast is we want riders from the Northeast to come and participate in the national championship. We want representation from here, from this part of the country, and I believe that we have fantastic riders over here. I went and saw the practice sessions and all that. So we have good racing between the Northeast riders and the existing riders.
Is that from
Okay, so we received 141 riders. As I said, this is the maximum riders we have received in 22 years. So we are very, very happy. And we will have to have qualifying, which doesn't happen normally. No. This is the national championship. So we have riders coming from Baroda, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, everywhere.
novels you have?
Okay. So, especially in the Indian National Supercross Championship, we have two groups. One is a Group A and one is a Group B. Group A is only for foreign motorcycles, which is a different category. And the category is also for the professionals, the privateers, and the junior category. It's all Group A. The novice, the locals, then the Indian experts and all that is Group B. Group B is modified Indian motorcycles, which are modified only for Supercross, with definitely tires, the studded tires, the safety aspect with the handlebars. The technical delegate will check whether it is race-worthy, and again, the different CCs, the categories will depend on different CCs, 260 cc, 165 cc. So these are the categories. See, for example, we take a place like Bangalore or Coimbatore, they have their own tracks. The government is supporting them so that they don't want people to race on the track. If you give them a facility like this, it will definitely help the youth. They will not be involved with the mobiles and other extracurricular activities. They will get involved, and once you get involved in motorsports and all that, it's addictive, very addictive. I have been into motorsports for the past 40 years now. Been a rider as well, and now an organizer.
So what is your message to our government?
To have more, and promote the sport, to have more tracks, and keep the riders away or boys away from racing on the roads.